Welcome to Christ College Riboy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Katkum katulong Khubor balaay na ka-office Jong ka Holy See, kalapintip ba ka Inaugural Mass Jong upop Leo bakatsaw, ubadang syusakjit ha ka Tarik Jymmang arajar apusan, kanlong ha ka kat Tarik Jymmang arajar apusan, ha palau Jong ka ying maniba upeterus bakot. Kani ka mas kande ka mas baningkong Jong na kabenta ki Peit ba, ha palau katay ka ying maniba. Katay ka Khubor ka loong ru, baka mas kan sedang ha kapor si Khubor step ha kapor ru. Syosyo katay ka office ukpabakot, kala ayru kini ki program Jong ukpabakot upop Leo bakatsaw, ha kini kitayaw banwan. Si Tarik Jymmang kasngi satjan, kajingya kendo bat ki cardinal, katway Tarik Jymmang kasngi utray, kajingdway kublay kusim na kaying maniba upeterus bakot, kat Tarik Jymmang kasngi ningkong, kajingya kendo bat kilat patay Khubor Jong kaperthay, kat nriw Tarik Jymmang kasngi thoding, kajingya kendo bat kinong Peit Jong commission, kat Tarik Jymmang kasngi utray si Khubor step ka Inaugural Mass hapalau Jong kaying maniba, Tarik Jymmang kasngi baar, kajing shimti ka Basilika Jong Paulus bakot ka badon syabar ka kenro Jong ka Rome, Tarik Jymmang kasngi balang, kajing pediang yikinong wan ban kendo yopop akasin baningkong, Tarik Jymmang kasngi satjan, kajing ya kendo bat kinong tray Jong ka Roman Curia bat kinong tray Jong ka Vatican, Tarik Jymmang kasngi utray, kajing duway kublay kusim bat kajing ay mat pusan. Kajing shimti ka Basilika Papal Jong Uyones bakot, kajing shimti ka Basilika Papal Jong ka Maria ka kini ublay.